HDi Auxiliary Injector Kit is the simplest yet most cost-effective fuel supply system for mild to highly modified fuel injection vehicles. Each injector provides 100 to 150 horsepower of fuel supply. It works with the standard injectors and tops up the fuel when needed because the standard injectors are untouched, so the car starts and drives as smooth as a standard car. And it is as much a cost-effective option than buying multiple expensive injectors. So you don't have to worry about rough idle due to overfueling with the large injectors. No frustration on over-rich cold start, and much better fuel economy on cruise, yet safely provides sufficient fuel supply when the standard injectors are maxed out. Moreover, for those who are looking for mega power fuel supply, you can add multiple kits to make up a batch or stage injection system. Perfect for NOS, NA to force induction conversion, methanol injection, turbo upgrade, or even simple boost up. The kit comes with high quality fuel hoses and a T-piece for tapping into the original high pressure fuel supply line. You just need to hook it up to an injector driver such as an HDi Max-ROM to drive it. Please note, the optional Max-ROM purchased separately. The HDi Auxiliary Injector Kit is billet CNC machine T6061 aluminium. Stainless can also be custom ordered. Perfect for welding on any aluminium inlet pipe. It is also designed with a 130-degree injection angle for better fuel atomization. HDi design, test and manufacture. For more information, please visit www.HDi-AUX-IK.com.